What is up, my mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious of locks on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of RSVP by Kenneth Cole. But first, I'm just going to let you know what my fragrance of the day is, and it is Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Male. This is an underrated fragrance by 2022 standards. It's timeless, it smells fantastic, it's a bit fruity, it's a bit sweet, it's got a lovely mint note in it, and it's absolutely ideal for the summer weather. And here's the bottle. As my father calls it, it's the man in the bottle fragrance, and he used to wear this when he was growing up, when he was like my age, so, you know, like father, like son, what a great scent, awesome scent for summer, versatile, gets massive compliments, and yeah, there's not much else to say about that, except that those people that think it's, you know, old and dated, they really don't know what the hell they're talking about, because it is a fantastic smelling fragrance, and it performs really good as well. Anyways, back to RSVP by Kenneth Cole. I know next to nothing about this one, but I got it for $30 Australian, down from like $80. It was on clearance, and what better way to handle a fragrance like this than to unbox it and try it out. So, just taking off the clear packaging. Ooh, coming straight out of like the clear packaging, I smell a lot of pepper. Now it could just be the cardboard or the ink that they've used, but we'll have to wait and see. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of pepper, like a huge dose of pepper. It's like freshly cracked black pepper. Pop that one down there, and yeah, here's the packaging without the plastic. Classy, simple, black with silver/chrome accents. Batch 1833-2NV1. The packaging has like an interesting texture as well. You're not going to be able to pick it up here, but it's sort of like a soft touch. Remember how like old laptops from like 2012 had that like soft touch cover? Like that. And yeah, let's crack this one open. Oh, I was not expecting this. I was not expecting this at all. It's red. I like it. Kind of like very Dracula-esque. Like a bottle of blood, although it is the bottle that's red, not the liquid. Oh, actually, I don't know what color the liquid is, but the bottle is definitely red. Looks like something Dracula would love. And yeah, let's get into the atomizer. Oh, that is nice. Just gonna let some of the alcohol evaporate. Oh, hell yeah, man. That is really good. I get some fruity sweetness, a touch of whiskey, woods, spice. Oh, what is that fruity note? It sort of reminds me of like Ribena, like blackcurrant, or maybe even grape, but not in a like a Bogart's silver scent kind of way, where it's sort of like grape, soda, and fabric softener. This is like a, oh, man. This is already the best Kenneth Cole fragrance that I've tried out. All the other ones that I've tried out have been like a little on the generic side, generically masculine. This is really interesting. I get a pepperiness, some of the spice, I get a slight whiskey vibe as well. But I also get a fruity sweetness. Like mixed berry sorbet. Yeah, man, this is bloody good. Man, this is good for $30. I can already tell this is gonna perform like a beast as well. Just because it's coming so strong off of my skin. Like, that was one spray. Granted, some of it is in the air as well, but what a scent so far. This has already exceeded my expectations. Yeah, I was not expecting this. This is good stuff. I look forward to actually trying it out for the rest of the day, seeing how it develops on my skin. just blowing on it just because maybe it'll dry it off a little bit and like help it into the mid. Yeah, it's got an interesting, hard to place fruitiness. There's no doubt about that. But it also has that slight whiskey-ish vibe. It's got a slightly mature vibe as well. But I still think there's enough going on in this where a younger person could comfortably wear it. This is an interesting scent. Yeah, this smells really good. For $30, I think this was a steal, and I got really lucky. I'm actually going to look it up right now because I'm curious to see what the notes and accords actually are. So just bear with me a second here. Kenneth Cole RSVP. There we go. Fragrance for men. Main accords: woody, powdery, aromatic, fresh spicy, warm spicy, earthy, floral, and citrus. Top notes: pepper. See, there we go. Pepper, grapefruit, lavender. Mid notes of orchid, cedar, and iris. Base. I don't get a lot of iris. Oh, you know, now that I've read that, it does actually remind me a little bit of Cavalli's Omo. Base notes of sandalwood, vetiver, cashmere wood, and patchouli. What an amazing scent this is. Yeah, this is fantastic. What does it remind people of? Santal 33. Huh. Yeah. So, all I've got to say is that as far as my first impressions for the fragrance go, I'd absolutely recommend trying this one out, especially if you're after a unique scent. This isn't your typical woody scent. You know, there's a pepper in here that's really nice, and it's not like a pepperiness that's meant to like lead into like a blue fragrance or something like that. This is just a unique, fantastic smelling fragrance, and I look forward to giving it some more wear and actually doing a full review on it because, yeah, I'm really impressed, and I love the packaging as well. It's the red bottle, the Dracula fragrance. What an absolutely great surprise this has been. Anyways, have you ever worn RSVP by Kenneth Cole before? If you have, let me know in the comments below because I'm always curious to hear what you guys think. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube, and I'll catch you guys around.